Hi everyone, Somanaut Beth here, and I'm recording day 10 and day 11 together because it's been a holiday weekend. And so we are still with the muscles, and we have concluded a large portion of the work, but there's still a lot to go. But we did get to serratus and the external and internal obliques and transverse abdominis and rectus and down through the external and internal intercostals. And my cadaver is her serratus and her external obliques were interdigitated like a weave, and I could take it off in one piece. And serratus actually goes all the way to the superior aspect of the of like the first and second ribs underneath, all the way up. It was amazing. We actually took a picture of it. Let's see, the brachial plexus, what a revelation. The brachial plexus, we were able to dissect it away and differentiate between all of the plexus and the arteries and the veins and also the femoral area. That was amazing. And then to see all of the external and internal, the internal and the transverse abdominis, how much the tissues are actually together. I sort of had this idea in my mind that they were completely separate, and they're really not. Everything is so encased in the fascia, so encased in the fascia. It's quite astounding. I never realized it. I don't know what I was thinking, but truly everything is connected to everything else. And for sure, the blood vessels are close to every single thing in the body. And as Gil says, there's not a cell in the body that's more than 2 cells away from a capillary. So every part of the body that we're touching, we're actually touching viscera and working with the heart. It's quite an interesting and wonderful concept to work with. So what else? We did the deep neck and removed all the layers of splenius, capitis, and cervicis, and then into spinalis and longissimus, and into the suboccipitals. And boy, those are really deep. Really super, super deep. And what else? We removed the pectoralis major and minor, and the deltoids, and we got into the infrahyoids and the suprahyoids, and into the deep neck, working with the thyroid gland. That was really interesting. And let's see, our pes anserinus was just classic. They all the tendons ended in the one place together beautifully, but other cadavers were not like that at all. They ended in different places, and some had a long tendinous encasement of fascia running alongside all the way down the front of the lower leg. So truly, everyone is the same and completely different. There's a lot of noise tonight. It's a holiday weekend. So what else to say? Tomorrow we're going to be working with taking the rest of the muscle off of the bone and into the joints. I saw the patellar fat pad. Ooh, that thing is very fatty. And what else? Hopefully we'll get to the multifidi, and then hopefully into the rotatories, and then hopefully into the spinal cord and the rest of the viscera of the heart, and through the peritoneum, because we got down to the peritoneum and into the pleura of the underneath the ribs, underneath the ribs, and the parietal viscera, the parietal, you know what I'm saying. Anyway, so hopefully tomorrow we're going to get to that. We've only got 4 more days and then Saturday, and to do quite a bit. So I guess that's about it. So, day 10 and 11, Somanaut Beth signing off, and I'll be back with you tomorrow. Good night.